Alright y'all, so in the previous clip y'all did see me organizing all of these products onto the shelf. So right now I have reorganized them into a way that I feel is best by organize them by company names or brand. So at the top here I started off with a little bit of As I Am. I have 2 of the washes, the co-washes, the leave-in conditioner. We move on to the main choice. I have 2 shampoos, 3 gels. I really love this one right here, the biotin infused styling gel. Lately on my short hair I've been loving the Dove amplified textures line, the leave-in conditioner, and the shaping buttercream. I do have a little bit of Camille Rose, which is not that much. It's mainly the shampoo, conditioner, the Curl Love, a co-wash, and the Almond Joy twisting butter. I love that for my hair. Then we move on down to Shea Moisture. I love Shea Moisture's products. I wholeheartedly believe in the brand and all of the clean products and ingredients that they use. I primarily have a lot of their deep conditioners because I feel like their deep conditioners are very effective in what they do. I have 2 of the transitioning milks, which was bomb for my hair when I was transitioning. I have a shampoo and a co-wash. From Cantu, I have the coconut curl cream, the leave-in conditioner, and then some products for when I have braids in my hair. Those are the 3 products I'll use. That one is a spray-on co-wash. I have the root rinse and then some tea tree oil, which those 3 are primarily the only things I'll use on my hair when I have braids, with some wild growth oil. Then I have the Suave Naturals line, which is the leave-in and the conditioner. Those are amazing. Cream of Nature has been my love from way back when I was relaxed. Those 2 products back there were the products that I've used mostly when I was relaxed. It is that argan oil sulfate free shampoo and that leave-in conditioning spray, which I would use like if I'm gonna blow dry my hair or if I have some braids in and I don't want my hair to get too greasy, so I'll use that. Then I have the clay mask, which I would use after I take out my braids to give my hair that moisture and that cleanliness that I'm looking for. Then we go down here to some VO5. That's a shampoo I would use to clarify my hair. I have some Trader Joe's Nourish and Spa conditioners. I have the Olaplex, which I have yet to try. I have silicone mix, which I've been using way back when I was relaxed. Some Diva Curl. They're alright. It's not my favorite. Would I repurchase it again? No. Pattern Beauty, which I have a video on already of my thoughts on it. I have some ORS products. Apogee. Apogee is bomb, y'all. If y'all need a reset y'all hair, I used to use the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor every time I had a relaxer because I felt like it gave me that strength and it made my hair soft. I used a 2-step before when I had a relaxer, but never on my natural hair. I have some Texture ID and some curls. Y'all already seen the curls video. Everybody loved the video I did with the curls, Blueberry Bliss line. It's really one of my most popular videos. So if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. I'll probably link it up in the card somewhere for you to be able to watch it. And then down here, I have a lot of Mael. I love the Mael Type 4 line. It is very moisturizing and it gets the job done. I also have the scalp line that they have. I love that one too. And I have some Kinky Curly. I have Uncle Funky's daughter back there. The Styles Edge Booster Gel. That's the only gel I use on my edges that keeps it laid and it doesn't make it like hard or dry or anything like that. Some TGIN. I have Mono's Care, some oils. These are like the miscellaneous area. I have the pre-shampoo for African Pride. I have Aunt Jackie's, the cocoa cream for Carol's daughter. And at the bottom here, I have all of my oils, anything I need to tint my lace, any miscellaneous items here like Got2b, shimmer lights, co-wash for my weaves and my wigs, which I have yet to display yet on this channel because I'm still practicing. And then all of my gels are under the cabinet in my bathroom, which I feel it's best to leave them there because they take up a lot of space. So these are all of the products that I currently have in my stash. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week.